going to show how to make loop for space closure between these two teeth, between the central and lateral, which got developed because of the cyst which was there between these two teeth. So for that I'm using 1622 TMA wire. So in this, by using the bird beak plier, just we are giving like a basic complete teardrop type of bend, and after that giving bend, so now after giving this bend, if we see, it is in the passive condition. Okay, so if we try to engage this wire between these two teeth, and if we try to close the loop by giving the activation in the loop, like incorporating the activation in the loop, okay. So it is going to get a tip which is going to become like as a mesial tip. So when we incorporate this into the brackets, automatically the space will get closed, but it is not like a bodily space closure. It will be like as a mesial tip happened type of space closure. So we need to get the space closed, at the same time it need to have the compensation also for making a distal tip in both this lateral and central, so that when the space gets closed, we are going to get a bodily space closure. So for that, what we are going to give is compensation bend in the loop like this. So now if you see, it is having like as a distal tip. It is not straight, it is having a distal tip. So when we are engaging into the bracket, automatically it is going to have like as a space closure force which is going to get into the teeth. At the same time, the teeth is going to get the distal tip which is be useful for the compensation to get a bodily space closure. So finally we are just closing the loop and giving some more compensation. So this is So this is the way the loop will be finally engaged for the This is a simple method for closing the space without much of the teeth engaging and getting a predictable type of space closure between the teeth.